Hi there, this is Jishnu and welcome to Exit Strategy. Today we are here to unbox the Redmi 5 which just got launched this Wednesday. The phone is available through flash sale on Amazon and Mi Store. The link for the phone is provided below. Now let's get along with the unboxing.
This is the 3GB RAM variant with 32GB internal storage which is worth 9K in Indian market. The 2GB RAM variant with 16GB internal storage is available for 8K and the 4GB RAM variant with 64GB internal is available at 11K, which is slightly less when compared to value for money. As you can see, the box comes with a translucent black silicone case which suits fine with the black variant of Redmi 5. The phone is lightweight with good build. The microphone, IR blaster and speakers are on the same position as that in Redmi 4. The paperwork includes a quick start guide and warranty papers. Both of them are needed to avail warranty if in case it gets damaged within the warranty period. Coming to the charger, it comes with a 5V 2A charger. Hopefully it may support fast charging. The micro USB cable is of a regular type and with sufficient length. Mi, as usual, doesn't entertain more accessories with the box. However, a SIM ejector is also provided with the phone. Now, let's power this on. Fast forwarding the initial setups. As you can see, the display is 18:9 with 720p HD+ resolution. Also, the display comes with an on-screen navigation buttons and doesn't have dedicated keys like the previous Redmi models. Now that the phone is set up, let's go to About Phones. The MIUI runs on Android 7.1.2 Nougat platform with the latest stable MIUI version of 9.2. The RAM is shown as 3GB and the internal storage is 32GB, of which 23.8GB is available. Let's go to pre-installed apps. The pre-installed G apps include almost 11 apps. Unlike the other Redmi models, it has pre-installed MS Office apps. The other third-party application includes FB, Amazon, Myntra, etc. Now, let's quickly set up the fingerprint security. Fast forwarding it, the fingerprint is fed and let's see how quick it responds. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is quite responsive. Well, I would say it is more responsive than the previous Redmi 4 models. Now, let's have a quick view on the camera. The rear camera is of sufficient quality with precise and quick focus capabilities. Moving on to front camera, well, it's embarrassingly poor.
Hope the unboxing video was helpful. For more details and reviews regarding the product, please subscribe to our channel for our new video which will be up in 2 days. Please do like, share and keep watching.